Guys, thank you for tuning in to the HID Factory, your leading provider in aftermarket lighting technologies. Today, I'm excited about this one. We've got the second generation Dodge Ram that people have been going crazy over, these Morimoto projector headlights. They're not like the typical Spec D headlights that you have, or the Recon or the Spider, whatever that junk is that you can get on eBay or Amazon for like a fraction of the price. You do got to realize that you do get what you pay for. So anyways, guys, we installed a Morimoto projector in this with a 6K HID. It's bi-xenon projector, which means is it operates the low beam and the high beam. The customer previously did have these Spec D headlights they were definitely not satisfied with. So what they're gonna end up doing is sending them back. They said they've had them for about a month and they just can't see anything on the road. But first off, let's just show you guys what this looks like. So let's turn on the low beam, 6K with the matching profile switchback LEDs. Nice matching. Let the HID warm up and they'll be matching so they look uniform. 6K white. Now what we're gonna do is you can hit the high beam. They operate low and high beam. Alright, and now let's take a look at them against the wall. Alright, so right now what we do is we got the low beam on. Let's hit the high beam. Boom. Low beam. Alright, and then the switchback projector. Switchback 3157, what it does is it goes from the white to the amber, so it makes it legal. You can't have it blinking white because that is illegal, guys. So this technology makes it legal to drive on the road where that white turns into amber. Pretty cool technology. All right. So pretty much what this kit is gonna be offered at is $699. We give you the relay, the projector, and the actual headlight assembly. One more look at that cutoff line. All right, high beam. So once you hit that high beam, that shutter opens up and it allows you to spread that light down the road. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get in the vehicle, kind of show you at a driver's point of view, and take it out on the road for you. All right. I'll take it out into the dark so you guys can see what it looks like. Let's check it out, guys. Everybody's having a big buzz in regards to these headlights. They've been selling like crazy. Nice crisp cutoff line, 6K white. Turn on your truck. Want that high beam on? Boom. There you go. Only at the HID Factory, guys. You can get these pre-built if you need them matching to your color paint code. It usually takes about a week and a half, 2 weeks to build to your preference. Let's go out in the dark, guys. Check it out. See what these bad boys look like now on the road. Take it out to the dark parking lot. All right, let's open this garage. Let's see what these bad boys look like out on the road. God, they're so bright. There's nothing like this on the market. I don't care what anybody says. There's nothing like this on the market, unless it's built and fabricated like this. Look at that, guys. Look how bright that is. High beam, look at that. Now you can see on top of that truck. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, we can see everything now. Look at that, guys. There's nothing like that on the market. Look at that. You can see the whole road. You can't tell me that that's not bright. That's roughly about 10,000 lumens, 35 watt ballast, not even 50 watt. Guys, the 50 watt runs a little hot sometimes, so what it'll do, it'll burn the chrome reflector over time, which will cause brown spots. Look how bright these things are. Oh my God, they're so bright. Like, what other headlight is on the market like these? None. Look at that. That is super ultra bright. You want your high beams on? Get seen. Who needs a light bar when you have these? Seriously. Oh man. For all you second generation guys, these are the headlights to get. There's no more games anymore. There's no more searching. They're here. Look how straight that projector line is. Beautiful. High beam? Wow. So guys, what you can do is you can order on thehidfactory.com. Just go to headlight assemblies and you'll find the Dodge Rams, or just enter your Dodge Ram truck in there and you'll find these bad boys. Oh man, you guys have to get these. These are a must-have when it comes to these second generations, because there's nothing like it on the market right now that are being pre-built. So guys, 713-359-9000 or thehidfactory.com. You can order them directly from there. Guys, thank you for tuning in and have a blessed day, okay?